Hey y'all, hey, good afternoon. Hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that. Oh shit. Anyway, you know how I do that. Just jump right into it. Okay, so today is it's about to my ladies and um going to see the your GYN. Now, you know it is an uncomfortable situation. You lay back, you put your legs in those spurs, whatever the fuck they call it, and your coochie just exposed to the world. Um, and it's just like and then like if you have a doctor that you don't have communication with, like it makes it even more uncomfortable. That's why it is so important to have a great relationship with your GYN. Now if you don't, and if you feel uncomfortable, then you need to switch your doctors. I do not, me personally, I don't want a man. Like, no, I never had a man and I don't want a man. I always have females. I feel like they, more aware of us because we're women, and then I just feel more comfortable with a man because men's minds when it comes to sex. Although I know it's supposed to be a profession, but them motherfuckers can be on some other shit you just never know. Because men thinks about sex like what every fucking they say every what 3 minutes, 3 seconds, some shit like same thing with women too. Everybody think about sex like all the time. What if they you see my pussy and that shit looking good to you, like what I'm saying? So I just was like, no. No, thank you. But anyway, just make sure you have like a great relationship with your gynecologist. Now, as a woman of a certain age, as Wendy Williams like to say, I'm 52 years old, so I don't go to the GYN as often as when you were younger in your 20s all the way up to your 40s, I believe. No, 30s, 40s, I can't remember, but I know it become less frequent the older that you get. So, I haven't had one in a minute. So I was talking to my gynecologist, and and I'm glad that me and her have like a great rapport, right? Because we could talk. You should be able to have like any type of conversation that's related to sex with your GYN, like without any judgment, right? So I was, me and her had great conversations, just like the video that I did yesterday, and I brought that up about, how did she feel? Mind you, my GYN is Caucasian, and she said, about, the what is this, the abortion laws, how they trying to, take that away from women, and also that there's no age limit on getting married. And so, of course, like she felt the same way, but it's disgusting. Like, man, you cannot make no decision for women. Sit your ass down and shut the fuck all the way up, you fuck ass bitch. That was somebody to say to the motherfuckers on the floor of Congress. Like, y'all should have me coming in and just say that because you out of line and you out of pocket. But anyway, yeah, make sure you have like a good relationship, and if you don't, you need to get you another doctor. Just be like, just it's just simple. Just go to I don't know, the receptionist or whomever is in charge. Like to speak to somebody, you just want to change your doctor. Like that's it. If you don't feel comfortable, I even had this. Well, I don't even know if she was black. She may have been Hispanic, but I ain't like that bitch. Yo, I straight reported this. So like she was talking to me like, how somebody trying to talk to you and they talk to you, they talking down to you like you dumb or some shit. Like, bitch, yo, wait a minute, hold on. Like, I told her, like, don't talk to me like that. Like, what are you talking about? Like, I don't even remember what it was, but I did not like her. But yeah, eventually, like, and I had to switch from her. We didn't have like a good rapport. That don't mean that she had it with everybody else, but that's just how the situation was with me. So make sure you have a good rapport. Make sure that you go to the motherfucking doctor, ladies, and you have to always examine your pussy. You always have to examine it. You need to be looking at it. You need to be putting your hands in it. You need to be smelling it. Because yes, a vagina do has a smell. Everybody, because what it's an open it's an open womb. There's bacteria that's in there. There's yeast that's also forms in there. Like a vagina has a smell. Yes, but washing it is like. Do we have to talk about that? I don't. No, we don't. I hope not. You know what I'm saying, bitches. But yes, it do have like a smell. But you should know your own odor. Like it's not nothing bad. It's just a vagina has a smell. It's like an asshole has a smell. Like because it's like in this closed area, and dudes like eating ass. Like men are different, ladies. They're different. That's why I gotta come to my workshop. That's how we talk about that in a minute. But yeah, make sure you develop a great relationship with your GYN so you can have conversations with her about your sexual experiences or whatever's going on with your vagina, things that you feel uncomfortable with. That's the person you definitely should be able to talk to. Like if you just happen to contract a STI now or whatever the fuck, or you know what I'm saying, whatever the fuck may be going on down there that may be a little weird that you gotta, you know. So make sure that you have a great relationship and make sure that you get your annual checkups for my younger chicks. You know, as we get older, it's not that frequent, but you know, you still get to, you have to also go and check with and check up with your GYN or your primary doctor about, you know, your sexual experience, because also as we get older, like your vagina, it don't produce as much lubricant as it does because the skin is thin and it dries up. The last time I had sex, y'all know I ain't had sex in a long time, but my shit, his dick wouldn't even go in my pussy. Like it was just so tight. Like it was just, it was. I couldn't even like. And I wanted something. I was trying, and I just my dick was just like nope, and it was because it was dry. And she also told like you know you lubricant is my best friend, and she gave me a whole bunch of fucking lubricant. The best lubricant to use, ladies, is water based, especially if you use it if you are having sex with a condom, and also for my older chicks, like my 50-year-olds and shit. A water based lubricant is your friend. And also, what's great about the lubricant, the water based ones, is because it don't rip up the rubber from the condom, the latex, whatever the fuck. And also, the greasy ones or the oil ones, same shit, is for you know, for that anal. But you can also use the water as well. So you should be able to have conversations like that. But uh, yeah. So like, just make sure you just want to just put that out there, ladies. Just get to know your vagina and make sure you have a great relationship with your GYN, with all your doctors, period. Like, if somebody making you feel any kind of way, because you know, like, as black women, you know, we don't get the level of a professionalism as we may get as our the Caucasian chicks would. I remember one time I had to go into to get an MRI, and I was talking to this guy who just came out, and he was like, "No," he's like, "I felt the same way as you felt." He said they'll give you earphones and everything. So I told the guy that I was that you know I was claustrophobic and you know I couldn't go all the way in, but I didn't say anything to him. But do you think he offered me the headphones? No, he did not, honey. So there is a difference. I just had a conversation with this Caucasian chick who lived in the building, and so she was talking about, you know, but this is a whole nother story. But I'm like, yo, our situations are different. You can feel that way, but it's different. But anyway, y'all know I'm Rill. I'm an intimacy coach slash seductress, and with a service called Seductive Art, and we do this that I'm doing right now is one of the things that we do, and that's Rilll Sex Talk. I'm also an author. This is the name of my book. It's called Quickie is 7 Short Erotic Stories read while you fuck while you read. It's in ebook form only. It's only $1.99. I'm also a designer. This is one of my crop tops that's available. You see that? It got each, there's different colors. There's sunshiny yellow, there's what's that color? There's royal blue, there's hot pink, there's red, and then they also have it and this here, which is tie-dye. So in each one color has their own crown, a custom crown with rhinestones, and there's cutouts on the right sleeve at the top and cutouts on the left sleeve at the bottom. There's a pleat here, as you can see, and on the back bong it says originator, honey, because we are the originator. Black girls are the originators. Understand that shit. You know what I'm saying? And actually, what made me design this shirt? Oh, the name of my brand is Real Nice by Rill. What made me design this is like all the negativity that I hear from people, from white chicks, from black men who just be downgrading black women. Like, what? Are you fucking kidding me? Do you not know who we are? Clearly, they know, and then the hatred is like unbelievable. Bitch, first of all, for the Caucasian bitch, like who talking to you? Why are you even talking about us? Like clearly, you feel inferior. Clearly, like because why like why are we on the topic? If you got you a black man and you feel like we ain't that whatever the fuck, okay, that's your feelings. But why are you broadcasting that? What the fuck is your problem? And the same thing with a black man. We know like self-hatred is a serious game. You don't even know that you have self-hatred. But yeah, that happens too. Like if you choose, now I'm not saying you self-hatred because you choose to be with a Caucasian woman. Everybody has their own choices and their motherfucking sexual preferences, and that's fine. But to go on and be like, I don't fuck with black women, blah blah blah, this whole shit. But although you came from a black pussy, like, are you fucking like really like what is that shit all about? So I just had to do this shirt that you know that we are the original, the queens and the originator of motherfucking everything. Don't fucking style, hair, language, swag, bitch, motherfucking education. Like, bitch, don't do it. No one does it like us. Like, stop. Mother Africa is what they call it. What are you? I used to. Shut. So, ladies, get yours. And even if you're not of African descent, if you are an ally of ours, you can rock this shirt. You know what I'm saying? So it's at realnice.com. It'll all be down in the description. And also, I just got my website up. I've been saying that for so long with Seductive Art. I'm having my first workshop. There's a limited amount of attendance that I'm allowing in. So it's going to be small and intimate. There will be wine, cocktails, hors d'oeuvres. There'll be a manservant that's with the shirt up. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be great conversation. We're going to talk about conversations about sex. Actually, I'm going to put some things in. I'm going to take ideas from the ladies, and we're going to put it all in a bowl, and we're going to take 2 or 3, depending on how much time we have, and we're going to discuss that. And so it's going to be fashion, and we're going to have a discussion. And, you know, all this is from our perspective and our stories, the good, the bad, the sad. And then we're going to slide on our heels because heels are required. And we're going to do an ESS, which is an erotic and sensual dance. So, yeah, come through. The tickets are normally $50. I'd slash it 80% off. It's only $20. So, ladies, come through. Mind you, it is limited. And you can purchase your tickets. The link is there on my website, which is seductive slash, no, that's not a slash. What's that line? Dash art.com, which is also be down in the description. Like I say, thank y'all so much. Please, if I resonate with you, hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. Let's get these, what the fuck you call them? Subscriptions and shit up. And also, y'all know how we end this motherfucker. Be courteous, be kind, be generous, be on time, be focused, be about your goddamn money. Be knowing when there's some fake ass motherfuckers. Yes, I said be knowing. Be knowing when there's some fake ass motherfuckers around you. That's some no good motherfuckers around you. You need to get them out your life. Be a great husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever relationship you have. Be great at it. Be great at whatever you do. Be inspired. Be inspiring. Be motivated. Be kind, be gentle, be loving, be aggressive, be opinionated, be vocal, be stylish, be fly, be physical, because you have to be physical people. Be of good time, be of goodwill, and be a part of the community, be a part of the solution. And most of motherfucking probably through all that. Whatever resonates with you with that shit. With all the B's I just said. But most importantly, something that nobody can take anything away from you, but only you can. And that's be you. I'll see y'all tomorrow.